Hi, I'm back again. And we tried Too Good To Go, pero this time it's Cafe Nero. This bag is only cost £4.50. So tingnan natin ang nasa loob. Actually, madami siya, guys. So we have, what's this? This. So this is one. Another one. I think it's almost the same thing. Oh yeah, it's pastry. Here. A lot of two. Oh, there's so many pastries. And this one, I don't know what it's called. Kasi ganito lang siya. Kakauwi ko nga lang pala, guys. At umuulan sa labas. So my husband is the one who collected this from Cafe Nero. And, this, what do you call this here, Annie? Christopher, what do you call this? Scone? Scone. I called it scone. Scone. One. What is it? We have four. Already, we have four. And then we have sandwiches. So this was veggie festive feast. It doesn't have price. One. Another one. It's it's the same veggie festive. And then the other one is panini. Oh, okay. It's all panini. I think they are all the same. So 3 of these. How many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye.